powerful names, one rising, one returning, and a political chessboard that's changing faster than ever. Kamal Hassan has officially joined the DMK alliance, a masterstroke move just months before the 2026 elections. And on the other side, Dalapati Vijay, no longer just a star but a political force leading his own movement, Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam. In a state known for cinema meets politics, this is not just another election, this is a full-scale battle for Tamil Nadu's future. What does Kamal's alliance with DMK really mean? Is this a calculated shield against Vijay's mass appeal? And with Annamalai stepping back, is the BJP repositioning for a behind-the-scenes comeback? Stay with me as we decode the power play, the strategies, and the upcoming storm that could redefine Tamil Nadu politics. This is Trendline Times. I am Uma, and this is not just political coverage. This is the story of a revolution in the making. Kamal Hassan, once an independent voice through Makkal Needhi Mayam, has now entered mainstream politics by aligning with the ruling DMK. His nomination to the Rajya Sabha, backed by DMK, signals a calculated political comeback. DMK's move is strategic. Kamal brings a loyal, urban, educated voter base, especially in Chennai and Coimbatore, and helps in reinforce the DMK's image as a broad, inclusive alliance ahead of 2026. With CM Stalin aiming to retain power in 2026, bringing in Kamal Hassan not only boosts DMK's urban appeal but also strengthens their leadership of a broader opposition front seeking to reshape Tamil Nadu's political future. In a landscape where public trust is shifting, the DMK wants to make sure it doesn't lose ground to fresh political entrants like Vijay. Vijay has launched Tamilaga Vetri Kalagam, a party focusing on youth empowerment, education, and anti-corruption. His fan base is massive, but turning fan admiration into electoral votes is a different battle. With Kamal now part of DMK, Vijay faces tougher competition in urban seats where they share overlapping appeal. He now has to define his political vision clearly beyond cinema fame. After the 2024 elections, Annamalai stepped down as BJP's Tamil Nadu chief, but don't mistake this for retreat. Sources suggest he may take on a bigger national role, which could shape the BJP's Tamil Nadu strategy from the top. The party may also attempt new alliances, including with AIA, DMK, or other parties. Kamal with the DMK, Vijay as a fresh independent voice, and BJP recalibrating under national direction, Tamil Nadu's 2026 election is shaping up to be a historic contest. The DMK's roadmap for 2026 is strategic: strengthen its core, broaden its reach, and outpace emerging rivals. For Vijay, the challenge is no longer just popularity, it's about proving political depth and vision. As for the BJP, the path forward lies in maintaining relevance and momentum even without a commanding regional face to rally behind. Tamil Nadu's political future will be decided not just in rallies but in the minds of millions of first time and traditional voters. Kamal has chosen the path of alliance. Vijay walks the road of political independence, and the DMK it is quietly building a fortress around 2026. As the countdown to 2026 begins, Tamil Nadu's political stage is no longer defined by old rivalries. This is not just DMK versus AIADMK anymore. A new force is emerging. Vijay no longer just a celebrated icon but a political disruptor enters the battlefield now, bolstered by the seasoned voice of Kamal Hassan under the formidable shield of the DMK. The message from the DMK is unmistakable. With Kamal by their side, the DMK is not just holding ground, it is redrawing the map. It is a declaration: we are not afraid of the storm, we are the ones preparing for it. For Vijay, the stakes are higher than ever. This is the ultimate test to rise above the cinematic charisma and prove he is a serious contender with vision, strategy, and staying power. Can hope and momentum outmatch experience and machinery? And then there is the BJP, now recalibrating its Tamil Nadu playbook. With Annamalai no longer at the helm, the party is navigating without a strong regional face, yet determined to remain a decisive force in this increasingly competitive landscape. What lies ahead is not just an election, it is a political turning point, a generational shutdown, perhaps the most unpredictable and electrifying battle Tamil Nadu has seen in decades. This is not just a contest between parties, it is a clash of narratives, legacy versus change, stability versus disruption, and in this storm, every voter is the kingmaker. I am Uma and you are watching Trendline Times, your window into power, politics, and the stories that shape our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay sharp, stay curious, because history is not just happening, it is unfolding right before our eyes.